About this, making something can certainly express your love in a very unique and special way. And here to show us a few delicious sweet treats we can make for our Valentine, Slade Grove. He's the owner of Slade Grove Creative Gourmet. So good to see you.
Good morning.
And I know she was pinching your cheeks earlier because we love doing that because you're just such a doll. You are sweet.
Thank you.
You are sweet. And you're,
I try to be.
I like this first recipe because there's so many people out there trying to figure out, what can I do that's kind of special and romantic? And hot chocolate is so romantic.
It can be. And when I was looking at the show today, I was like, okay, we're doing 3 different recipes. Let's do breakfast, lunch, and a dinner treat.
Perfect.
So for breakfast, it's like, okay, how can we make the day special and start off the day special? Like, let's do something that you can quickly and easily do in the morning and serve like to your loved one in bed. So you can make it quick and easy. Like, you can even do it in the microwave if you want to.
Perfect.
So all you have to do is take, I put the recipe up on Sonora Living Live, and it's going to be on the sladegrove.com website, so don't worry about the measurements or anything like that. But we've got 3 cups of half and half and a cup of heavy cream. Now, you can alter this if you want to. If you don't want to use milk, you could actually use like almond milk.
Perfect.
Or if you want to use soy milk or something like that. And then we got 4 ounces of white chocolate and 4 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate. Now, if you don't like white chocolate, use dark chocolate. You can modify this and do it anything you want. Heat your milk up on the cooktop or in the microwave. Take it off the heat. Put your chocolate in. It's going to instantly start to dissolve. Then we're going to add in a little bit of sugar because you want to sweeten it up just a little bit.
I love that, and because the chocolate, perhaps, especially if you use dark chocolate.
Especially if you use dark chocolate, it can be a little bitter.
A little bitter.
And the white chocolate just makes it a little bit creamier and smooth.
Nice.
And then it's going to all start to melt. And then we're going to put a little splash of vanilla in it because I want to just make it a little bit vanilla.
Yeah, because the recipe is decadent.
Yeah.
Hot white chocolate mocha. So I mean, or cocoa, and that's just beautiful. Just the name in itself, it just feels like love. I got that for you. Perfect.
And then the chocolate's already melted. And then just go ahead and grab your favorite mug.
And you said we can make this batch up in the morning.
And you can make the batch up in the morning. And the nice thing about this is that you can alter it, and you can even do iced. You can even make it iced if you want to in the afternoon. And then just grab a ladle.
Oh, that looks wonderful. It didn't take long. That's just minutes.
No,
Not
it
even minutes.
just takes minutes.
Yeah.
And you want to make sure it's all melted before you do this. And just ladle it into your cup.
And that's so much better than, not that you can't do the pre-made, packaged kind.
Well, the pre-made packaged kind, it's not real.
Yeah, and it's got so much sugar in it.
It's got so much sugar in it and all kinds of stuff. And then if you're on the diet, I did bring out the diet cup.
Oh, the diet.
This is the diet cup. I call this the diet cup.
When you say diet, I was like, this is smaller than this one.
No,
This is sipping cup.
And for those of you that are on the diet and watching your calories, you can't get these little espresso cups.
They're cute, though. That is really cute.
So you can do that too if you want to. But
right,
you get this beautiful, nice chocolate. You can also serve it cold.
Oh, it's delicious.
You can get an insulated container, put some ice in it if you want. Pour this over the ice. And
what are you seeing some trends right now in the sweet world? Because I mean, this is the season of love. A lot of people do chocolate, which is fine, but there's so much other stuff out there. There's so many easier ways of doing things.
I see a lot of individual desserts. I see a lot of miniature desserts, and I see a lot of fruit stuff coming up.
Oh.
I see there's a new trend in fruit, and I see a lot of people going more towards the healthy side and a little bit less sugar.
Yeah, and we're kind of laughing about this cup, but you're right. When you go to restaurants, even the bite size, the little sample dessert options versus the big, chunks of pie that are big enough to feed a village. I agree with you. I think people are trying to be, they just want a little bit of sweet.
And I think people are being a little more health conscious too, and I think restaurants are starting to notice that trend where people are starting to watch their calories, they're starting to watch their sugar intake. So even with us, we're modifying our product too. So we've come out with a new line of granola bars that are healthier. There's no sugar added. They're gluten-free. We're now making vegan cookies because we notice a big trend in vegan food now too.
Yeah, because there's a dietary, people's dietary needs are different, and you lost so much weight. You look fantastic.
Working
on it. Fantastic. Well, Slade is always so gracious. He's put the recipes for you on sonoraliving.com so you can share these throughout Valentine's Day and beyond. What are you making next?
Next, we're going to be doing our double chocolate dessert bars.
Yum-y. That's all I got to say, Terry.
Yum-y, agreed. Times 2. Hey.